Hello, future engineers. Today, in just a few minutes, let's understand the Wildlife Protection Act of India, its definition, objectives, importance and benefits. The Wildlife Protection Act 1972 is a law made by the Government of India to protect wild animals, birds and plants. It creates protected areas like national parks and sanctuaries, and it regulates hunting, trading and poaching. The main objectives of the Act are to protect endangered species, to conserve biodiversity, to maintain ecological balance, to regulate activities like hunting and trading, to create national parks, sanctuaries and biosphere reserves. Why is this act important? Wildlife is crucial for maintaining ecosystems. Loss of species can disturb food chains and lead to disasters. Conserving forests and animals protects water, air and soil quality. It also protects the cultural and natural heritage of India. Benefits of the Wildlife Act: protection of rare and endangered species, promotion of ecotourism and sustainable development, preservation of India's rich biodiversity, better climate and environment for future generations. As future engineers, it's our duty to understand and support conservation. Let's respect our wildlife, because protecting nature means protecting our future. Text on screen. Wildlife protection is life protection. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more insights on environmental awareness and issues.